Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the front wiper blade inserts on a 2019 Toyota Rav4. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver, the two wiper blade inserts, part numbers located down below, and a small rag. To make this as easy as possible, we're going to be using the service mode for the wiper blades. To access service mode, you're going to turn on ignition. Accessory will come on first, press it again, ignition comes on, turn it off, and you're going to press and hold the wiper blade up. Now with the small flathead screwdriver, you're going to come in here under here, open the tab just like this. You'll slide the arm up, and from here you're going to grab onto the wiper blade arm, grab the wiper and pull down, and then release. So this is the driver's side blade. You can see right here, this says 650 millimeters. That's the size of the wiper blade. The new one also says 650. Before we continue, I want to show you some parts on the wipers. The side with the numbers, we're going to call this the top. And the other side is going to be called the bottom. And you're going to pay attention to these slots on the wiper. This one here is going to be for the wiper arm. And the slot with the metal rods right here, that's going to be for the metal rods. Don't get these two confused. We'll talk more about them later. And the wiper blade, here's the top, here's the bottom one, and you're gonna notice that the top one just looks like this, and at the very bottom of the wiper blade, you're going to notice an additional slot right here. This is a locking tab. Now to remove the blade insert from the arm, you're just going to pull up on the wiper rubber part and just rip it apart all the way down till you get to the bottom, and it'll come right off. So this part can be thrown away now. This is now trash. Okay, so now the metal rods, they are the same, but there is a top and a bottom. The top side are going to be the ones that have these little cutouts right here. And the bottom side here are not going to have any cutouts. The easiest way to reinstall the rods back on your wipers is to hold them vertical like this. Find the top slot, slide it in, hold it, grab the other one, slide it in, and then you're just going to let them find their place and slide your fingers down until they go into their proper spaces. And it'll kind of do this on its own. You just need to guide it just a little bit, and then just come across, make sure they're all the way in, top and bottom, just like this. Now you're going to take the top of the wiper blade insert with your rod and take the bottom of the wiper arm, and you're going to slide them into each other. Make sure they go into that bottom slot. And then you're just going to keep sliding up until you get to the next one. Make sure it goes into the right slot. And you'll keep sliding up. Find the next one. Slide up. Keep sliding. Keep sliding. Till you get to the top one here. And you're going to find it might stop here. Go back to the bottom. And you're going to push it with your thumb the rest of the way into that locking tab. Just like that. Now you bring your wiper blade back on over here. You're going to fit this inside of the slot, push in, and slide up. Then you push down to lock it in place. And the passenger side is going to be done the exact same way. We'll go through this one a little faster. Once you're done, turn on ignition again. Pull down on the wiper arm, and that'll bring the wipers back down, and then you can turn off the car. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. Click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2019 Toyota Rav4. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.